I'm going to read English newspaper. BJP's Parvesh Verma predicts big win, says Kejriwal will lose deposit. BJP candidate from the New Delhi Assembly constituency, Parvesh Verma, on Monday claimed that the BJP would win the seat by a large margin and that AAP leader Arvind Kejriwal would lose his deposit and finish third. We will win by a margin of more than 20,000 votes. It could be 25,000 to 26,000. Arvind Kejriwal will lose his deposit here and will come third, Verma said. Earlier in the day, BJP MP Nisikant Dubey also claimed that Kejriwal would lose the New Delhi Assembly seat, stating that Delhi police had controlled his goons and that Purvanchalis felt safer with the BJP due to provisions in the union budget. Delhi police has controlled all of his Arvind Kejriwal goons. Arvind Kejriwal is going to lose in the budget. FM Nirmala Sitharaman has given things for Purvanchalis, Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh. Purvanchalis are finding themselves safe with the BJP. This is the reason their vote bank is going away from them. He is going to lose from the New Delhi Assembly constituency. Dubey said. Union Minister and BJP leader Piyush Goyal also criticized AAP, stating that the people of Delhi would be freed from false promises. He emphasized that the BJP, as a double engine government, would focus on the development and public welfare. The people of Delhi will get freedom from fake guarantees and get a good government under the credible leadership of PM Modi, which is inspired by development works and public welfare. Every Delhi resident is now eager to elect a double engine government in Delhi. Under the leadership of BJP, the victory of the BJP now seems almost certain. The Prime Minister has given a very big gift to the middle class in the budget. Almost the middle class has been freed from the burden of tax, Goyal said. Thank you guys.